Short English replies native use all the time. Let's go. Yup, yup. Are you coming? Yup. Nope, nope. Do you like sushi? Nope. Sure, sure. Can you help me? Sure. Totally, totally. Was the movie good? Totally. Exactly, exactly. So it's his fault? Exactly. Nah, nah. Wanna go out? Nah, I'm tired. Yep, yep. Do you finish your homework? Yep. Of course, of course. Can I sit here? Of course. For sure, for sure. Will they win? For sure. Kinda, kinda. Are you hungry? Kinda. Maybe, maybe. Are you coming to the party? Maybe. I guess, I guess. Is it going to rain? I guess. Sure thing, sure thing. Can you send it to me? Sure thing. Sounds good, sounds good. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Cool, cool. I'll text you later. Cool. Got it, got it. Don't forget the key, got it. Fair enough, fair enough. I can't go because I'm busy, fair enough. Deal, deal. Let's spill the bill, deal. True, true. He's really funny, true. Right, right. It's hot today. Right. Exactly right. Exactly right. He's not the right guy for this job. Exactly right. Not really, not really. Did you like the movie? Not really. Guess so, guess so. Are you ready? Guess so. Guess not, guess not. Did she answer your call? Guess not. Probably, probably. Will she be late? Probably. Not sure, not sure. Is the shop open? Not sure. Whatever, whatever. What do you do want to eat? Whatever. No worries, no worries. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. All good, all good. Do you need help? No, all good. Exactly, exactly. He's always late. Exactly. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.